Hey guys, Mike here. Today we're gonna run American bass versus Timpano. $52 versus $35, right? I run these guys with the Fatal Pro and with the other speakers. Check my other videos. If you're new to my channel, don't forget to subscribe it. And you're gonna see a lot of speaker experiment. I'm running expensive versus cheap, all that stuff, right? Today we have a Timpano here. Timpano, it's gonna be mid-range speaker. Has 200 watt RMS, 400 watt peak power. And this guy's like peak power is 800 watts. So American bass 2-inch voice coil versus 1.5 inch. And this guy's was performing not bad at all. Like for $50, $52 for the price you pay, it was a good performing guy. But this guy, it was a really good performing guy for $35, right? So now we're gonna run these both speakers. We're gonna give full range first. We're gonna see how they will handle bass. This is a mid-range speaker. They shouldn't handle bass, but we're gonna see how they will mechanical noise, all that stuff. They will very clean speaker. Even you throw in the bass, they will handle the bass. Even this guy is a shallow speaker, right? So now specs. So Timpano decibel is at 95, and it should play 95 hertz to 6,500 hertz, right? American bass decibel is 97 decibel, like per watt, right? 97 decibel. It's a lot efficiency, more efficiency. Even the bigger coil is more efficient, right? It will play 110 to 6,000. So higher, its highest is going to be a little lower, and the lower is going to be a little higher. So it's like a perfect mid-range speaker by the specs. But we're gonna find out now how will it perform. I'm gonna run full range first, and we will tune down 110 and up the both speakers. Now, I'm gonna give the 100 because this guy can handle, even 95. This guy can handle it. So I'm gonna tune the 100, and we'll do it. So non-copyright sound. We're gonna start from American bass. Full range. American bass is a lot smoother, like a subwoofer kind of bass, but this guy's bass is a lot punchier, like it's kicks. You feel like a floor is like so. But clarity, sound detail, accuracy is very close. Comment below, guys, from the first part, which one you like better. $52 versus $35, right? How do you like this one? Louder.
Took a swing at a wrecking ball, and I prayed for my downfall, and I found a way to reconcile, 'cause in my heart it's not worthwhile. It's a bloody battlefield where some go down, others heal. In the end it's all the same. All you can do is play the game. Oh, do we say goodbye? Refuse to question why. I've decided to say I'm sorry, so lie. Pretend that you're okay. Swear that you will stay.
that's it for now. Let's try a different one.
I'm headed to the bottom of the bottle. I've been drowning, I've been floating away. Every other dollar that I got in bed, I probably went and pissed it away. I ain't fucking okay, I ain't liking it, babe. I don't even wanna talk, I'm just smoking my haze. I've been stuck in my ways, I've been stuck in for days. I've been staring at the clock as the radio plays. I'm enslaved.
Guys, comment below which one you like better. It's like very hard to, you know, choose. Just by the price, it's Timpano wins right away. But without the price, if you don't look to price, the sound output, right, sound quality. The both is really nice sounding speakers, right? I have nothing to say. I'm gonna try this guy. Even the Sylvester, it's gonna be a little expensive. Sylvester, this guy's $52. Sylvester is gonna be around $75. Arnold's gonna be around $80. So it's not gonna be comparison with this guy. But maybe I'm gonna run it, right? We'll see. Maybe it's gonna be the closer output, but Sylvester is going to be out scream, but we're going to see it. So that's it, guys. If you didn't subscribe to my channel, definitely subscribe it and comment below which speaker you like better sound output. For me, it's like a really close sound output, but this guy is like top power, like a maximum power is 800 watts. It doesn't mean anything, but it's maybe it will handle more power than this guy. I don't want to burn any speakers, so yeah, I'm just saying it. Alright, I'm gonna run different scenario, different speakers. Now's the time to run Giants 18 sound versus BNC. I'm gonna run these two speakers. Those are over $100. One is $150, one is $100, one is $130, $120 something dollars. Huge magnets, like build quality is like